Takes the guesswork out of sharpening. Finish them off on a piece of leather when you're done that polishes. And check out this knife. Go ahead. You see it's got a great edge. I'm gonna do yours now. Kershaw?
Yep.
Oh, that one's really ready. See that?
It gets used a lot.
Yep. And that's what we need.
Oh, they're tools.
Put them on the edge of the counter. Whoop. Losing my stuff here.
You never know what it's getting used for.
Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. We're American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. I put my name and website right on my handles. Got these today, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30.
Does that go clear to the tip, sharpen the tip
Yep.
as you're doing them?
Yep.
Skinning knives or my hunting or boning knives, I got a problem getting the tips done on that.
Nice skinners there I show people. Different fillet knives. That, right to the tips. Doing them today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Anyone else carry a knife? We'll show you it works on yours too. Oh, it's got some knife here. Here you go, buddy. Thank you.
That's for the sharpener.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, small one.
I see your knife. Here's some good hard stainless. Wow. Keep the pressure on them. Bring the back of the knife up as you get sharper. Then lighten up. You can use them on fillet knives, your good kitchen knives, curry knives.
I'll sure take one of them.
All right, 20 bucks. 20 each, 2 for 30 today. Take 2.
These
Pick
are glow in
anything
the
you
dark.
like. Thank you, appreciate.
If I'm using it in the dark, I'm gonna get cut myself anyway.
Right?
Well, if you drop it when you're hunting or something.
Makes it glow up.
Yeah.
Anyone else carry a knife? We'll show you it works. American made, I'll sharpen any blade.
Let me ask something. So I bought one from you. Would you still honor the 2 for 30 if I picked one more
I'll
up?
do that up. Thank you, yeah.
Oh, you got more colors out now.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of
I
colors
didn't know you
now.
had all these colors now.
Now you need 4.
Okay. We'll do a black and yellow. Okay,
All
thank
right,
you.
thank you, appreciate you guys.
You bet.